Hi, do you want to get traffic from not your targeted location? So, if you face this problem, you need to exclude location from Google Ad. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share you how to exclude Google Ad location. First of all, you have to sign in your Google account. Let's go. I'm going to sign in my account. Okay, just give me time. ads.google.com. Just click the sign in and select your account. I am logging my account now. So here you can see there has a two campaign. My client said that he got most irrelevant traffic from the campaign, so I need to exclude location. Here you can see traffic coming from India, Nigeria, Pakistan, so we need to exclude them. So then we need to navigate, click the campaign and go to the settings button. Okay, this is our campaign, so click the campaign button and this is our campaign. Just click in the right corner. Here you can see this settings button. Just click the settings button. Okay, so if you click the settings button, then you can watch a new tab, that is location. Just click here. Okay, then you need to click advanced search. Okay, so please click the advanced search and write your target location India. So India you can exclude here. Okay, then you need to if you want to bulk amount, if you want to exclude bulk amount, just list of your bulk location, such as I just use a notepad. Pakistan. Okay, Pakistan, Nigeria, such as this is. You can make your excluded location and copy this one, and I just paste here Pakistan, Nigeria, or just maybe, or spelling is not many. So if you paste, then you will get all your location. Just exclude there, then Nigeria. Oh, Nigeria, this one. Okay, so exclude and save. So if you save this button, then click the save button. So from this location we will not get traffic now. So in this way you can exclude your location if you get irrelevant traffic. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. A quick message for you. I am a top rated Google Ad specialist. If you need any service, let me contact you on Google Ads and also Facebook ad and web analytics. I will help you to grow your business. Thank you so much for watching this video.